Okay, as you saw from the last vlog, I've been watching a lot of Madeline Olvera. She was tagged in the last video. He's not happy that I just made him do this. I was like, I want to film something real quick. Bye. Bye. And I got inspired and I want to try more things. So this is just us experimenting, and mainly for him because I feel like I'll probably like everything and I don't think he will. So this video, we're gonna try a bunch of vegan foods. Okay. Time to try. It smells really sweet, doesn't it? You smell it? You didn't like that smell, did you? You blew it back out. You went.
Smells like toffee custard. This one.
It's nice.
But
I've definitely tasted better like chicken, vegan chicken stuff before than this. Also, this portion is not enough for me for dinner. This is quite small. But I could always add rice to it if I need. I feel like I'll have quite a lot of sauce here. So when your rice is done,
would you like some?
I might top it up a bit if you don't mind, because not enough food. I'm gonna give you a bite. Tell me what you think. It's nice. It does taste like katsu curry. The sauce does too, but I think it is on the sweeter side. But the goujons are a bit funny.
Well, yeah, I think there's so much better on the goujons instead of like actual meat.
They're breaded.
What was it? Actual meat itself.
I don't know, I've just definitely had better vegan nugs. And this is good for a quick microwave meal for vegans. Like, I wouldn't expect it to be this good, but the thing is you have to cook them separately, which is a bit annoying. But it tastes nice. Okay, we'll see what we have next. I'm not actually too sure. Makeshift. We've added rice. Okay, I'll be full now. Breakfast for today. One for you. So the thing I'm going to try for breakfast today, this is high protein soy yogurt from Co-op. And strawberry flavour. So I want to try. Hello there. Do you want to try? Is that a no? You don't have to.
Give me some.
It's thick. I like a thick yogurt. It's like pudding. Like cream cheese. It's nice, but you can definitely taste it's not dairy. Definitely finish it though. I do like it. Okay, breakfast. This is by Alpro, by the way. I know there's coconut yogurts out there. I do want to try those too. I think I would prefer those because they have like a natural sweetness, but this will do for breakfast. I'm a fool. The strawberry bits are at the bottom. So let me try it mixed in. It's sweeter and got more flavour to it. Okay. Definitely better like that. Although now it looks horrible. Do you want one or not?
Yes, please.
Take it then.
Thank you.
Track protein flapjack, coconut. Another vegan treat. Ooh. These are quite big. It's dark chocolate. Oh, it's sweet chocolate though. Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. Nine grams of protein in it. It's very coconutty, but I like that. Just 50 grams. Yeah, oh yeah, that's it. It's really got a bouncy vibe.
Yeah.
But it's a lot better for you. That's a good little alternative, isn't it? And it's vegan. Ta-da! Okay. That's all for today. Approved. Approved. Fully approved. Better than the yogurt.
Yeah.
Before we carry on with selling Sunset, if you haven't tried, which I'm sure you have, the Eat Real crisps, they do hummus crisps, lentil crisps. They're freaking amazing. I'm all for these vegan crisps. I love these. Here guys. Cheers guys. Waking up at 6 AM. That's delicious. Wow, I love that. Yay. Okay. Mind made. I also have, I don't really like talking about like conglomerate coffee companies, but I have had coconut milk in my coffee before from Starbucks, and that is good. So I do know I like non-dairy alternatives in my coffees. But Oatly, I'm on the page. I like it. Right, excuse the clip on the top of my head. I went for a run and showered, and my hair's still soaking wet, so I'm just keeping it up because I couldn't be bothered to brush it. I was so exhausted. But it's lunchtime, and so I made this salad the other day with like these bird's eye like chicken burgers on top sort of thing. And so I got these. Grow plant-based chicken burger. So let's put these in the oven. they take so long, I'm gonna chill before making the salad because I want the salad to be fresh. So I'm gonna chill for like 15 minutes and then make it. Hopefully these are good. In the bird's eye packet there's like 4. So I chopped up 2 each and put them on top of the salad. Should I just make the salad now? No, it's gonna be warm though. I've also got this Via Life vegan cheese, and I'm going to grate some up and put it in the salad too. Now, I have tried this cheese before, and I like it. I've tried the slices version, I haven't got it in a block before, but the boy doesn't know that I'm making a fully vegan meal because now I've added the vegan cheese in as well, which I wasn't going to do at first, but I thought I might as well throw it in there. So I'm going to see his reaction. Anything taste different? See, look, another family meal. What do you think's in it?
What?
This isn't chicken.
Huh?
This is vegan chicken.
What is it?
And the cheese is vegan. This vegan chicken is so good. I recommend this Grow vegan chicken. I'll sneakily record him.
Are you recording?
I just wanted to hear your reaction.
Cheese has that chicken texture to it.
Right. I was going to see if you could tell or not. How good is that? Very much approved. Delicious. The whole thing's vegan, cheese and chicken. Wow, that hurt. So, I just wanted to add on to these as well. Naked bars. I love these, and I discovered this flavour recently. Blueberry muffin. Can I do this? I've got a friend. Hello. But my friend's dog sitting. Hello there. Do you hear some food rumbling? But yeah, blueberry muffin. Delicious. The boy loved these too. And there's a carrot cake version we're going to try because that's his favourite cake. Look at this. Hello. What do you want? But yeah, naked bars. Great vegan treat. At all, but okay. Dinner verdict.
Good.
We enjoyed it. He enjoyed the meatballs more than I did, I think. I thought they tasted a bit like stuffing. I did like them, I did finish them, as you'll see in these clips here. His plate was completely clean and I had just a bit of sauce left. I recommend from that brand the chicken stuff a lot more than those. I don't think I'd buy those again, but I'd definitely buy the chicken ones again. And managed to get it all down me too, so great.